This drill is back pedal to forward shot. Kung wala kang passer, you just have to roll the ball and then catch and shoot, no? So maganda to mga ka-bowlers para ma-improve yung shooting skills nyo. This drill is baseline to top of arc shot. So right and left siya mga ka-bowlers, no? So maganda to kasi we are practicing the movement of shooting mga ka-bowlers, no? So magra-run ka and then you have to run sa arc and then go for a layup. So right and left pala to. This drill is ball fake to pull up. So yung una mong gagawin is fake, then jab, and then go to opposite direction, and then go hard to make a pull up. So same thing pa rin pag pumunta ka sa left side. So fake, and then drive, and then pull up. This drill is bounce pass and cut by yourself and then shoot. So maganda tong drills na to kasi nakafocus to sa speed nyo at the same time yung sa shooting accuracy nyo mga ka-bowlers, no? So maganda to. Mukha lang siyang madali pero napakahirap nito mga ka-bowlers. This drill is BTL plus step back, no? Naka-stationary position lang tayo and then we do between the legs, then step back. So maganda to, mga ka-bowlers, kung gusto nyo ma-improve yung step back ninyo. Yung drill na to is right and left then mga ka-bowlers. After sa right, so mag-left naman kayo mga ka-bowlers. This drill is cone flip to shoot. So right and left siya. So i-flip nyo lang yung cones. Then after nyo ma-flip yung cones, no, you have to make 3 dribble combination and then go for opposite side na layup, no? Kung ini-enhance natin dito mga ka-bowlers yung pag-stay low nyo at the same time yung pag-control nyo sa bola while flipping the cone. At the same time, yung last 3 combination dribble and then pinapractice din natin yung ating reverse layups. Maganda tong drills na to mga ka-bowlers kung gusto nyo mag-improve yung dribbling at the same time yung finishing ninyo. This drill is cone weaves to screen pull-up. So maganda tong drills na to kung gusto nyo ma-improve yung ball handling at the same time yung footwork nyo and the finishing, no? So marami tong ini-improve mga ka-bowlers, no? So maganda to mga ka-bowlers. If you want to improve your shooting, dribbling, footwork, so maganda to. I suggest to all of you this drill mga ka-bowlers. This drill is to corner to elbow shot. So pabalik-balik tayo, no? So corner sa baseline and then elbow, no? So back and forth siya hanggang sa matapos nyo yung drill mga ka-bowlers, no? So we are practicing the movement of shooting mga ka-bowlers. Hindi pwede kasi na stagnant lang tayo.